In this video,
we will learn how to join tournaments in Fortnite. In order to play tournaments in Fortnite, firstly you need to open up the game. After that, you need to head into the Compete tab. In here, you will find all the tournaments that are available to participate in. And in order to participate in a tournament at the exact moment, the tournament needs to be live. Now, all the tournaments are not suitable for everyone. You need to meet certain criteria to participate in all the different tournaments. For instance, in ranked tournaments, you need to have the certain amount of rank that is required for participating in that particular tournament. When a tournament is live, you can check all the details of a tournament by clicking on the Event Details tab. From here, you can see when the tournament will start and when you can expect to compete in the tournament. And if a tournament is live and you would like to participate in it, you need to head to the Play section. Then from the Game Selection tab, you need to head to the Buy Epic section. Maximize it, and in here you will find your ranked game that are available for you to participate in. Just select that particular game and just click on the play button. So this is how you can easily participate in ranked and unranked tournaments in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.